Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm in Palisades, New York, and I'm doing some existing condition drawings of this home. I'm actually just wrapping up the day as the sun is just set. Here's a view of the Hudson River. And the Tappan Zee Bridge back there. So the scope of work for this project is to do exterior elevations, floor plans, reflected ceiling plans, electrical plans, and we're probably going to add on some interior elevations also. Here's more of the house right here. This part of the house is mostly original. The addition part on the other side is an addition, which will likely be removed. So this is what I'm working on today. Thank you for viewing my video. If you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether that be upstate, in the city, or out in the Hamptons, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Have a fantastic evening.